Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Niqua, and I am Sharnice, and welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you clicking on this video because I have an awesome book I recommend to you guys, to review for you guys, to tell you everything about. Well, not everything because I want you to read it, but to tell you a good enough amount that you're going to want to look this author up and grab this book. So if you want to know what book I'm talking about, what author I'm talking about, all about this book, go ahead and sit back and relax, enjoy the show. But before I continue, how about do me a favor, go down below and subscribe and hit that great notification bell. Ow. And go ahead and hit that great notification bell, but also like this video and share this video, and you be the awesome person you are already, and you making my day even more awesome-er. But let's go ahead and jump into this book review. So you ask, what book am I talking about? You made it past the intro and now you want to know. So I'm going to tell you. It is by Kendall Ryan, one of my favorite authors. I have a lot of authors that I read all their books, and I have a lot of favorite authors and a lot of favorite books. I read a lot. So she's one of my favorite authors, Kendall Ryan, one of my favorite authors. So the book I am talking about, it is called XO Zach. It's been out, yes, and people might have already read it. Some people might have not. So the people who have not read it, here is my book review, and here's this book, XO Zach. And this is what the cover looks like. I love the cover, and I just love the story. So XO Zach, here it is. Like, it's so cool. So what is it about? So I'm going to give you just like a brief basic what is about, because I want you to read it and enjoy the story yourself. So it's a really good story, really simple, cute, loving story. It's about this girl, Poppy. So if you haven't put two to two together, the guy in the story his name is Zach. So Poppy and Zach. The book jumps right in, and it was Poppy and Zach met at a party, like a college party, because Poppy's in college, and so they first met there, and briefly Zach helped Poppy with something at the party, and at the end Zach wanted to get to know her more, but she said, no, I'm not ready for it. If the time is right, we will meet again. But Poppy didn't know that Monday was the day that they will meet again. And I'm saying that because Poppy is a student at the university, and Zach so happened to be an advisor to the university, and so happenly Zach is Poppy's advisor for her program in the university. So wow. So that's how everything started, and then you find out more about Poppy and Zach. So that's kind of how their story and this story started. And then throughout the book, Poppy keeps running away from their situation and not be with him. And then it was so cute because they are like in the literature type of department in her college. So he will sneak little like poetry, like little writings into her bag, and secretly do that so she could read it when she was alone, because that's kind of like only little way secretly that he can tell her that he really likes her. So that was kind of cute, but I think it took her all the way to the end of the book to realize that he was the one who gave these little notes to her, and she thought it was like somebody in her class. Like, come on now, girl. I really love the ending, like the epilogue part, and it really showed like more of their story. So that being said, I did really enjoy this book, and I thought it was a great book. I love Kendall Ryan's books, and it was great. It was sweet. Like, I wish I had a guy who would write secret little notes to me. I really liked the book. It was quick and easy. It was easy read. I didn't have to really think really hard. It was a cute book. I just really enjoyed this book, and I would recommend it. But also, I felt like the book needed something else. else, just a little dab of something else in it to bring out the fire in me. Like after I read some other books, and I would, even if there was like a second book of this, like I would read this second book of it because I want to know more of their story if there was. So I'm not saying it wasn't bad, I'm not saying that, I'm just saying it was just good, okay book to read. So I'm trying to say I just wanted something more like a fire in me to say I want more of the story of this book. But all in all, it was good, it was great. So I do really recommend this book. If you are in college, read this book. If you like romance novels, read it too. It didn't have a ton of like romance, but the story was really good, and just a real loving book. So I do recommend this book and to read this book. It was very good. I do like it. So yeah, I just wanted to really come here really quick and tell you about this cool book that I just read recently and finished recently, and I really recommend you to read this book. I have her link to her website, Kendall Ryan's website, down below. Thank you so much for watching this little book review recommendation that I have for you today. If you haven't already, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit that green notification bell, ding, and be notified. Don't you want to be notified for the other videos that I do each week? Like, yes, you do. So go ahead and do that, and also give me a like to this video because you're gonna like this book. So give me a like and also share it so other people can know about this book and hear what I have to say about it, if it's a good, if it's a bad. So let them know as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate everything. I have some other book reviews that I've done, that playlist down below, so go ahead and check that out in the description box and check out some other book reviews that I really recommend you to read, and go ahead and check that out down below. It's there for you, or there will be some also at the end of this video, so you can wait. Just wait here, don't go away yet, and just wait. And there are some in the eye, or other videos that I do in the weeks. It will be in the eye, down below, in the end, so just check that all out. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next week. Bye.